Quick, get him! Quick! That little basket? I don't know where it went.
So boys and girls, look at me. We're going to do it together. Hands out. And the next thing we do is a school-wide peace pledge to honor the peace that we hope everybody shares with everyone in the world. Ready? Lisa? I You take that pretty seriously in this room. So thank you for being here, and I will turn it over to Mrs. Smith.
Walter and Brett, I'm turning it over right to the kids. All right, Walter and Brett, get on up there. Go, Walter, go.
Thank you, Mom, Dad, grandparents, and for coming. Now we are going to sing a song about the weather.
Son, bring up your drums. I don't have them. Bring up your drums.
Gentle rain. Gentle. Just your fingertips.
I'm sorry, my mistake. We forgot about our dance. I'm sorry, Sir Nick, come on up. Sorry, teacher error. All right.
Next, we're going to do a Danish dance.
Thank you. All right. Younger's fine and older. Younger's fine and older. Let's circle up. Circle up. Fine and older. Why, yes, and thank you. Mickey's out there. Scoot over. Come on over. Remember, we're going to make a big circle. Make a big circle. Now don't forget, big arms. Say how you doing. Okay? All right. Here we go. There you go. With. Turn yourself around. Big arms. Get back for your six. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha.
Okay, face your partner. Turn yourself around. Get back for your six. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha.
Face your partner. Get back for your six. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha.
Get us back and clap, clap, clap. Turn yourself. You're ready for your six. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha.
last one. Turn yourself around. Get ready for your six. Take off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha ha ha.
Epic bow to your moms and dads.